sisimulan natin dito sa Bicycle Digimon or Digital Monster playing cards, no? So, binuksan na namin siya ahead para ipakita sa inyo yung mga cards. First, 2 jokers. Ayan, custom artwork yan. 4 yung jokers niya. For the Ace of Hearts, ito siya. I think this is the device to, tama ba? Pang tawag ng Digimon talaga, no? And then, yung mga numbered cards niya, yung iba, standard lang. Tapos yung iba, meron siyang artwork dun sa mga pips. Pero hindi lahat. Ito yung mga court cards for the hearts. Siguro ito yung mga main cast, no? So dito, yung human, and ito yung digital monsters nila, yung mga Digimon nila. We also have this. I think this is a device as well. And for the court cards na clubs, ayan sila. Tapos for the king, queen, and jack of diamonds, ayan sila, with their corresponding Digimon. Tapos, ito, tingnan mo, may custom artwork siya. Ito yung Ace of Diamonds. For the spades pala, ito sila. Same characters, no? Prior. Tama. Ace of Spades, ito siya. And for the back design, this is Agumon. And this is Vmon, na kapatid ni Ramon. So, if you want this, you can purchase this online. Yun lang.